In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an email in Outlook. First, open the Outlook app on your desktop. Once it's open, locate and click on the New Email button on the upper left side of your screen. This will open a new email window where you can compose your message. Start by entering the recipient's email address in the To field. Then, add a subject for your email in the subject line. After that, you can compose your message in the main body of the email. If you want to add images or attachments, you can do that by using the toolbar options at the top. Once your email is ready, it's time to schedule it. Click on the File option in the upper left corner of the email window. A menu will appear with several options. Look for the Properties option and click on it. This will open a new window with additional settings. In this window, make sure to check the box next to Do Not Deliver Before. Once you've checked this box, you'll be able to select a date and time for your email to be sent. For example, if you want the email to be sent next Monday at 9 a.m, select the appropriate date from the calendar and enter the time in the adjacent box. After you've set the date and time, close the Properties window. You'll be back in your email window. Now click on the Send button as you normally would. The email won't be sent immediately. Instead, it will be placed in your outbox and held there until the scheduled date and time. Once the specified time arrives, Outlook will automatically send the email.